Jay Will again, back with another video, back-to-back videos with ClickBank and Digistore. This video gonna be on digistore24. My results from yesterday and today. Today is February 11th. Yesterday was February 10th. In between yesterday and today, I only received 12 clicks on my Microsoft Bing ads with the same Metacore product right here. Spent about $44. As you can see the date up here in the corner, February 10th through February 11th. Okay, let's go log into digistore24. Okay. As you can see today, February 11th, I made $446. Yesterday, February 10th, made about $530. Let's pull up our calculator. You take $446 plus $530. That's about $976 minus, let's say $45 that I spent on my ads between today and yesterday. I made about $931 in profit. So a lot of y'all who have been promoting the Metacore product that's DMing me on Instagram, the reason you probably not been seeing sales is because you're getting a lot of bot clicks, and to get rid of them bot clicks, you need a tracking tool called Click Magic. I'll leave it in the description below. Once you set up that tracking tool, you can block all the bot clicks out and you can start receiving your profit. So in the meanwhile, like, subscribe, comment, and I'm out.